That's our Whirlpool fridge here. It's got a ice maker, water, ice is on the back, water's right there, light, you can do crushed ice, lock that thing, unlock it. This is the inside, and model number, LED light, really bright in there. Doesn't have a cheese tray, but that's okay, we got our little small tray there for cheese. 2 drawers, milk on the side, good racks. Oh, place for the butter. Freezer, there's the ice. No drawer at the top, that's okay. No drawer on the side here either. Okay. Ice racks there, bottom rack, side racks here, little ice spot there. We got this at Lowe's, so it's the Whirlpool brand, and yeah, very happy with it. There's this specific model number, stainless steel, fingerprint resistant. Now the handles are not made of that fingerprint resistant material, so you will have to wipe those off, but real nice fridge.